how to create auto updating albums in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on gallery app. Now here, so click on this plus icon. So if you want to create auto updating album, so click on auto updating album. So you will see auto updating album is here. So select auto updating album name. So after select name, click on create. So you will see auto update album is create. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can create auto updating album in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.